talk about our illegal riding we're about to do.
Yes, okay.
Are you listening?
Yep.
We're going to turn around, go down this sidewalk, and then make the right. Go on that little side street, then make the left, then make the left down the alley, then make the left down by PPG Paints.
Okay.
Oh, watch out!
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Said okay.
Do you understand the path?
I'm following you, but yes. Down here, to the right.
We're gonna go down the sidewalk, where that car's coming out from the parking garage. We'll hop off there and go across to take that street.
We're going, oh, right here.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And then we'll go make that left right there, and then make the left on the alley.
The alley's not cobblestone, is it?
No, it's a real street.
Okay. That's what it is. Thought I was the one doing breaking laws. Nope. It is not I breaking laws. It is my wife. I'm a law-abiding citizen out here. Yeah, yeah. That's what we're doing today. Here comes the rain. It's gonna be a wet ride, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be a wet ride. See how she's on her tippy toes on the bike? Okay, how is she? Around there, but good. Okay, so that's what I look like on that bike, something like that. No, but I normally have the cases on it. So with that, no, I wouldn't. I don't want to say I went off the sidewalk, but I don't think there's skill level is there yet on that bike. She could have put her flashers or four-ways on, but I don't even know if she knows she has those on. Good? How far we gotta go down here. And hopefully she can make it through here on that bike.
At this point, just go to the corner and make the left.
Kind of stuff. This is what love will get you into right here. Kind of stuff. The love will have you doing dumb stuff like this. Okay. I'm about to do some real illegal stuff. Yep. Yeah, we're both going to jail. In this rain. Oh! In this rain. I was trying to beat it. There's no beating it. Uh-oh. So it does a height adjustment on there when you stop. It kind of lowers it for hills. What is that, a hill assist or something? I don't know. I've yet to read the manual. I need to get in the manual. Because if I look in the manual, I would know what it is. Hill assist, short leg assist, something, I don't know what they're calling it. The official name for it. That's what it has. Oh, don't run me over, lady. Like I should take this out of sport mode. Let's see. If I can do that. Yup. Road. One more. Hey, this is fun. This is love right here. Left the house in the dry to come get her. And ride back in the rain. I need her to remember this when I do something stupid. This moment right here. Remember this. Alright, so rain mode is official. That was easy to put it in rain mode. So all those riding sport bikes or race bikes, rain mode doesn't stop you from doing dumb stuff in the rain, because you have to adjust some things when riding in the rain as well. So see, I lifted the windscreen up higher. Normally it's down lower, but when I rode back yesterday, I had it up higher so it blocks more wind. I just wanted to. Huh? Right, so it goes lower, but when we were riding back, there was some rain, so I put it up higher before we left just to keep some of the rain off of me. But it actually goes down like 6 inches lower. So it's in a high position. Normally I had it in the front. You got to do it from the front. There's a little latch and you push it down and then you latch it back. Yeah, I see.
Literally on my toes.
I miss all that rain coming back.
You want to just go straight?
Like 500 miles from Carolina on that trip to the Dragon. It didn't rain this hard. It was just sprinkles. Can't say she has the better bike for the rain. I mean, I'm used to riding this in the rain, but yeah, that one's better in the rain. Yesterday, the front end slipped on a metal plate coming across a bridge. No, that was Sunday. The front end slipped on a metal plate, kind of freaked me out a little bit. The AGV stuff, best helmet ever. Feel like I need another one of these. Helmet is official. Oh, yes, we're going. Yo, what the fuck? Sorry for the language. You better start slowing this bike down, lady. think people, oh, that's scary. You think people would stop, but they're not stopping. But my wife sees the good in all people, and me, I just think people do dumb stuff. She puts the bike out there thinking like, oh, they'll see me, they'll stop. See? Oh, damn. Falling out. If I was on that bike, I'd be going through these puddles. I'd be doing dumb stuff. Oh yeah, this is love, for real. This is a love shot. If there's ever a does my husband love me moment, this is it. This is it right here. I was leaving the house and I said, should I put the liner in the jacket? No, I don't really need the liner in the jacket. I'll be dry. I should have put the liner in the jacket. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. She was going to do it. Told you she sees the good in everybody. My next turn here, I got to turn. Sun's like Phoenix sun. Still sounds good even in the West.